Namaste and welcome to Divine Interventions, Why Homa and Puja Matter, an Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets Insight. I'm your host, and today we are diving deep into the mystical world of Homa and Puja, two powerful Vedic rituals that have been transforming lives for centuries. And yes, even in today's fast-paced world, especially for those living abroad, like in the US, these age-old practices still hold the power to heal, protect, and uplift. So if you have ever wondered, can ancient rituals really solve modern problems? Stick around, because the answer might just surprise you. Let's start with a question I often get asked. Isn't puja just lighting a lamp and saying a prayer? And I smile, because while that's a beautiful start, puja and homa are much more than that. They are energetic interventions. You see, in the same way you go to a doctor for physical healing or a therapist for emotional support, homa and puja are spiritual prescriptions performed by trained priests to balance your karmic and energetic field. These rituals involve sacred mantras, fire offerings, and invocations to divine forces that work on the subtle level of your life. Think of it like this. You are trying to fix your internet connection. You have checked the router, restarted your computer, but it is still not working. Then you call the service provider, someone who knows the system inside out. That's what a well-performed puja or homa is. Let's understand it even better. Meet Julie, a successful IT professional based in New Jersey. She and her husband had been facing ongoing tension for over a year. Misunderstandings, emotional distance, and what felt like a growing wall between them. Therapy helped, yes, but something deeper felt off. She reached out to us at Astrobhava and we did a Nari reading that showed karmic blocks from a past life, unresolved emotional debts. We recommended a Rudra Homa for emotional cleansing and a Mangal Gauri Puja for relationship harmony. Weeks later, she messaged us. I don't know how to explain it, but our fights stopped. We talk more calmly now. There's peace in our home again. It is like a fog has lifted. That's not magic. That's energy healing at the karmic level. That's divine intervention. At Astrobhava, we specialize in exactly this. Our platform brings authentic Vedic rituals like homas and pujas right to your home, no matter where you live in the world. Yes, even if you are sipping coffee in London or stuck in traffic in Houston. All our rituals are performed by experienced, trained priests in India. You join via a live video, see every mantra, every offering, every sacred flame, and you receive prasad and a detailed report afterwards. Simple, powerful, and real. Now, let's break it down a bit. You might be wondering, what's the difference between homa and puja? Puja is a symbolic, devotional act of worship with flowers, lights, mantras, and offerings. It is like sending an email to the divine, filled with request, gratitude, and emotion. Homa, on the other hand, is a sacred fire ritual. Think of it as a direct hotline. You are not just praying, you are invoking cosmic energies using the 5 elements and offering oblations into the fire to burn away karma, blocks, and negativity. Homa is especially powerful for health, wealth, career growth, and relationships. Here are some common pujas and homas we offer at Astrobhava, like the Ganpati Homa for removing obstacles, Mahamrityunjay Homa for health and protection, Navgraha Homa to pacify planetary doshas affecting your career or relationship. Lakshmi Kuber Puja for attracting abundance and financial stability. And Saraswati Puja for students and knowledge workers. And yes, they are all available as online rituals through our secure digital platform. You can be part of the ceremony from your laptop, mobile, or even cast it on your television. Now, let's address a few frequently asked questions we get. Can these rituals really work if I am not physically present? Absolutely. Energy transcends time and space. In fact, most of our clients in the US, UK, and Australia attend these homas online and report profound changes. The sacred fire and mantras work on the subtle energy field, which does not need your physical presence, only your intention. Secondly, how do I know which puja or homa I need? That's a great question. That's where a Nadi astrology consultation comes in. Based on your thumb impression, we locate your ancient palm leaf manuscripts and decode your karmic patterns. From there, we prescribe the right ritual, whether it is for marriage issues, financial struggles, or health concerns. Is it okay if I am not very religious? Of course, you don't need to be religious, just open-minded. These rituals are tools for energetic alignment. Think of them like acupuncture for the soul. You may not understand every detail, but your energy field responds anyway. Let me share another example. A couple from Chicago had been trying for a child for over 4 years. After failed IVF cycles, they came to us for the guidance. The Nadi reading pointed to ancestral karmic imbalances. We recommended a Santan Gopal Homa. 3 months later, they were pregnant. Again, not superstition, not luck, just divine science in action. Before we close today's episode, I invite you, wherever you are, to reflect on this. Are you carrying unresolved burdens? Are there patterns in your relationships, finances, or health that seem stuck? You don't have to carry them alone. At Astrobhava, we offer you more than just rituals. We perform a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern life. We offer solutions when logic hits a wall. We offer hope rooted in sacred practice. So whether you need clarity, healing, or just a spiritual recharge, we are here. You can visit us at astrobhava.com. Book a consultation and let's align your energy with the divine. Because sometimes the most powerful solutions are the ones written in fire, mantra, and spirit. Thank you for joining this Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets Insight. Until the next time, stay blessed, stay balanced, and remember, the divine is always listening.